nigga, make some noise.
I'm tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, put under the pressure of walking in your shoes. Every step that I take is another mistake to you, and every second I waste is more than I can take. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want you to do is be more like me and be less like you. I've become so numb.
Can I get an encore? Do you want more?
I've become so numb.
So one last time I need y'all to roll. One last time I need y'all to roll. Yeah.
What the hell are you waiting for?
Yeah. Yeah.
I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming this. All I want you to do is be more like me and be less like you. I've become so numb.
Can I get an encore? Do you want more?
I've become so numb.
So one last time I need y'all to roll. One last time I need y'all to roll. Encore. Do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. One last time I need y'all to roll. Yeah.
Now what the hell are you waiting for?
Me, there should be no more. So for one last time, nigga, make some noise. Yeah. Yeah.
What the hell are you waiting for?